It was a memorial without any tears, the way John Flays would have wanted it.
We're trying to keep today upbeat and happy and fun. We just want to go out and have a good time, and if he was here, he'd want us to do the same.
John may be gone, but his spirit isn't. His fiancée, Michelle Turlwell, is determined to keep his memory alive through children and his favorite sport.
We're very involved with volleyball, and the Y came to us and asked us if we wanted to put on a tournament together to honor him and then to also raise money for the Strong Kids campaign.
And all the money raised from that campaign goes to support youth development programs and financial assistance for youth and families so they can participate in programs and memberships.
Friends, family, even strangers came out to remember John and to support the campaign.
I can't believe for this year was such a great turnout we had. There's 15 teams, so it's awesome to see how many people came out to support us and support him and show how many people that he actually knew and touched.
No, I knew him just from around, yeah, not personally, no. We heard about a volleyball tournament, so we decided we wanted to come play.
Whether it was new friends or old friends participating, Michelle knows John would have loved to see it all.
I think he would be extremely happy. I mean, I'm sure he wished he could be here right now, but I think he'd be really happy at the turnout and the great, that everybody got together today to honor him.
Kristen Aguirre, KHQA News, Quincy.